Delivery services, folks, on the year up 14.4%. And even ice cream went up, folks. Even ice cream up 3.1% on the month. Cut the bullcrap, man. This is broad-based inflation, and we got to take this seriously because it's out of hand and people are suffering.
Well, what do you make of that? MeetKevin is getting very, very excited today on YouTube. This is what's half the problem with investing right now. People like MeetKevin, I love MeetKevin, I love his channel, but flipping heck, you get pretty excited. We need to calm down. We need to calm down, people, and realize that this is one of the best times in history to get into the market. Look, I am up 12.7% over the month. This is the reality. It's the greatest time ever to get in the stock market. What is going on? Why are people so excited? Calm down. If you buy great stocks that are innovative, that are life-changing, that can make money and grow into the future, when the rest of the world is fearful, what do? Buy. And that is exactly what I'm doing. Let's have a little listen again to this. I do find it very entertaining. I love the channel, but it's made to get you to watch. It's not really made to calm you down, and it'll always be followed, always, with a buy into his training program. We never do that here on The Day Trader. Let's have a quick listen in again, shall we?
Delivery services, folks, on the year up 14.4%. And even ice cream went up, folks. Even ice cream up 3.1% on the month. Cut the bullcrap, man. This is broad-based inflation, and we got to take this seriously because it's out of hand and people are suffering.
People are suffering again. That's what MeetKevin just said. People are suffering. Well, I'll tell you one person who's not suffering is Kevin. He makes a huge amount of money every time you watch one of his videos and then sells you his training program. Here on The Day Trader, we never sell you anything. In fact, we give cash prizes away all the time. I'm trying to grow the best YouTube channel in the world, which helps and supports people and raises money for charities. And that's what we do. We're here to calm everything down. Don't need all this excitement. I love his channel, but flipping heck, it's a little bit hype and drama. And the reality is, look at my portfolio. I'm up on the month 11%. Why? Because I'm buying all the dips of great companies. So let me share with you my actual positions, my complete portfolio. This is my Vanguard S&P 500. I've been buying the dips. Over the years, it's proved itself to be one of the best places to put your hard-earned income, your money invest in this. Also, I've got Virgin Galactic, which is innovative, life-changing, world-changing, has no competition. It's going to be absolutely fantastic later on this year. There's my Virgin Galactic position. Keep holding, keep buying more, keeps going up. Then we have Virgin Orbit, looking fantastic again. I've made money on this stock. I keep buying the dips, and I'm going to be going to Virgin Orbit soon. If you can see there on the bottom of the screen, my Kickstarter information is below if you want to be involved in the film. Then we've got Tesla. Of course, I keep adding to my position. One of the best companies in the world. I've got 13 shares of Tesla now. Rivian Automotive. I keep adding to the position. It's holding above 30. I always said it was only ever worth 20 bucks when it popped up on its IPO. Now I've got a good number of shares now, and this is my position. Lucid doing great. All my stocks looking fantastic, right? Not worried, not fearful at all. Polestar Automotive just got into this position here. And Arrival, another one that I've just recently bought. I'm very excited about this one. And then we move over to Amazon, completely oversold. So much drama around Amazon, completely oversold. What a fantastic company. Who wouldn't want to own Amazon? I have it and I keep buying more. Let's go to Apple. Look at Apple right now, completely oversold. One of the most effective companies to fight against inflation. People keep buying their phones, even though they put the price up. And the phones and the iPads and the computers is only a small part of its company. It does other things as well, of course. Now we have Robinhood. Well, I made some money on Robinhood. I sold out of that. I've got out of that one. And I haven't got much there right now. But it was interesting for a while. McDonald's, another one of my positions. You've always got to own some McDonald's. It's great for the dividends and great for security in investment. Then we have Coca-Cola. Can't believe how much this has been down over the last few weeks. I keep buying more. Love it. Great position, great dividends. Always own Coke. Whatever happens in the world, people will always buy Coke. Johnson & Johnson has been proved over time to always make money. It's not a growth stock. It does grow, but mainly it provides a great dividend. I love this one, and I'll always add this. I regard Johnson & Johnson as a safe place to park my money. And when it pops up, I sometimes take some profits, but generally speaking, I hold and keep buying the dips. Then, of course, we have Google. Always own Google in your portfolio. Microsoft, completely oversold. Google and Microsoft now take up 2/3 of the cloud space. Why wouldn't you own Microsoft? There you go. Meta Platforms, I said this morning that actually this would have one final pull down. It's had another one this morning. I bought the dips. Meta has got a huge potential in the future. I don't have a massive position, but I do like to own some Meta. SoFi Technologies, I think this is an important one to hold for the future. This is my position right now. I also have IonQ. IonQ, quantum computers. It's one of the biggest investments for Amazon. Very happy to own IonQ. PayPal's completely oversold. I've been buying the dips, keep buying it all the way down. Walmart, one of our safest assets. This dropped down a few weeks ago, and I've been buying the dips. I've been buying more and more. It provides a great dividend. This is another important part of my portfolio. Not as good as Target, but I've got a smaller position. Not as many shares in Target, but I do feel it's worth owning it as well. Tesco's is a supermarket in the UK, which I like to own, provides a good dividend. And we have Canoe, the greatest news we've had over the last 2 days with its deal with Walmart. Fantastic to build the delivery vans for Walmart. And only today we heard about the connection with the US Army as well. So this is a great one to hold. I've made profits on it. I've used the profits to buy the dips. And this is one for the future. Another great stock is Tilray Brands. I'm not a fan of the product. I don't smoke. I don't smoke regular cigarettes, let alone cannabis. This doesn't really interest me, but this is going to be a great stock in the future. And today it popped up on some great news. That's in another video. So this is a good one to hold. Ginkgo Bioworks, biopharmaceutical company. It's down at the moment, but I'm holding it a small position. I think we've got a great future for Ginkgo Bioworks. Enphase Energy, it's done nothing but go up. I love this stock. I keep adding to my position. Enphase Energy, fantastic. Rio Tinto, who wouldn't own Rio Tinto? One of the best dividends there is. Phenomenal dividends, one of the best in my portfolio. Today, unbelievable discounts today. I bought up more. In fact, I tripled my position this morning. Great. This is fantastic. Rio Tinto. Now, what about Bitcoin? Bitcoin now I regard as a cheap lottery ticket. I own a very small position of this, and I buy $100 of Bitcoin every time it drops at $2,000. I'm looking at it at right at the top of my pyramid of investments. I think of my pyramid investments as at the bottom is my house, and as I go up, money in the bank, and then it goes up to more high risk, and right at the top is Bitcoin. And I'm acquiring some every time it drops $1,000, $2,000. I buy a bit more. And when it hits 10,000, which it will, and I'll go all in. But even if it doesn't, I don't really care. It's just at the top of my pyramid of investment, and I regard it as a bit of a lottery ticket, if I'm honest. On the other hand, Bitcoin SV, look at this one. I own 11 Bitcoin SV. Now you might say, why do you own 11? I only need to own 11 because if Bitcoin, and if this is the real Bitcoin, goes to $1 million, I only need to own 11. In fact, I only need to own 1. 11's enough. If it drops, I don't buy any more. I don't need to. I just hold what I have. I've got 11. If it goes up, great. If it goes down, so what? I lose $500. Doesn't bother me. So there you go. There's my portfolio. And as you can see, over the last month, I'm up nearly 11%. I think the markets are great right now. I love the fact that we have inflation right now. Why do I love that? Well, because it provides opportunity. It provides the next generation to get into the stock market. So there you go. Many of you, over 1 million of you follow MeetKevin. Very exciting, very entertaining, but it's just the way to invest your money. I tell you one good thing, it makes Kevin, bless him, a lot of money. People love MeetKevin, makes MeetKevin a lot of money. This drama, this excitement, but really folks, here on The Day Trader, we don't want drama, we don't want clickbait, we don't want excitement. We just want investing in great companies that are oversold because inflation has got out of hand, oversold because of a war we have no control over, oversold because everyone's panicking. But folks, this provides the best opportunity in a generation. Didn't you always want to be the guy who bought Bitcoin when it first came out? Didn't you want to be the guy who bought Tesla when it first came out? Didn't you want to be the guy who bought Amazon when it first came out? Well, this is a second chance at that. Through the years of investing, people buy and people sell in different points of their life. As they get to retirement age, they sell all their stocks and shares because they don't need the risk or the worry or the stress. For you and I, though, only in the market for a year, myself anyway, we need to find opportunities to buy in. As Warren Buffett is always famous for saying, he loves the red days. I love these days. I'm never stressed. I'm always calm. I'm always here. I'm live every day. I don't make clickbait videos. I just go live every day, nearly 10 hours a day, to provide you with the best and honest and real service. It's not dramatic. It's not necessarily exciting, but it is what it is. And right now, we're making money, and we've made money now hand over fist for a month. Love it. So if you want to be part of The Day Trader, join us live every day. We have cash prize giveaways every Friday. Links are below. If you want a fundraiser event here in my TV studio, I've raised over $1 million for our members here in this studio. We provide that service for all our members. We will never sell you a training program. We will never get you to buy anything. What we do is just go live every day. I invest with my real shares, my real money. And if you want to see my overall position today, here we are. This is my live position today. This is where we are. This is all my money. I have no money elsewhere. It's all here. Be part of my journey. But for entertainment, why not enjoy some MeetKevin? I've never seen anything like it. Take care of yourselves and each other.